4th of July. It's a real horrible morning. There's no wind, but it's raining, it's miserable, drizzable. So just left the moorings and probably head down to Kildorrean and see what the weather goes for the rest of the day. Well, it's cleared up a wee bit now. I made it down the first to Seal Island, and I'm about to go into the anchorage at Kildorrean again. A bit higher up, I'm just climbing over Thrombosis Hill to go to the pub for a lunch. Just departing Kildorrean Wednesday. A few boats in overnight. Heading round the corner towards the Ross of Mull, Iona way. Now in the Ross of Mull area, that's Ruadalanish, and there's an anchorage in there which is quite good. An even better one just over by there at Tregeil, White Beach. I'm heading on though, the weather's not too good tomorrow, so I'm going up further round the west of Mull. Some more of the rocky and sandy beach coast here on the Ross of Mull. Very soon we're going through a wee narrow passage into the Sound of Iona. Just going to pop through that narrow passageway into the Sound of Iona. That's a little anchorage in there called Tinker's Hole. And over in the distance there is the island of Iona. Now that's successfully into the Sound of Iona, and way in the distance is Stafford. We will be passing there. We've arrived at Acarsig Moor on the tip of Gomitra. So motor sailed all the way. The wind was quite light. Well, it's a pleasant, calm evening in Acarsig Moor, Gomitra. 3 other boats have come in now. Well, left the Acarsig Moor way down there. I'm having a fine sail now today. I'm goose-winged, heading up for Killiach Point, around the corner and then on to the Sound of Mull or Loch Sunat. Rained all night last night, but I was snug. Still having a great sail, no longer goose-winged. We're getting almost 5 knots and heading towards the western entrance into the Sound of Mull. A few other yachts around. Arrived at Silent Moor, on Loch Sunat. So anchored here for the night, then pop over to Tobermory tomorrow morning to go to the shops and perhaps have lunch somewhere. Friday the 7th of July, had a peaceful night in Silent Moor, which is that island just there to the right. It rained and rained and rained. like the west coast stuff. You can't see it, but whatever it is, it's wet. And now I'm just heading the 5 miles over to Tobermory for lunch. Well, that's the Boadicea cruise ship leaving Tobermory just now. It's Saturday, the 8th of July, and Tobermory very peaceful at the moment. Quite early in the morning. And I'll be departing Tobermory in about 5 minutes' time. Well, I'm having a nice sail across Stewart Bay just now towards Lismore Light. Got about 5.5 knots. Very gentle, pleasant. Well, back at base, it's a bit windy.